Hey guys, this is Ethereum versus Bitcoin. That's right, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. I can remember when I was first looking at this some time ago, and I thought, wow, that's a big ask for that to actually run through the 3 levels when we were way up top here in the 8s. Will it ever happen? I remember trading these to the upside all the way up, and we topped out at 15% of Bitcoin, over 15% of Bitcoin. Where are you trading today? 2.96. That's right, 2.96. You've lost 80% if you hodled Ethereum in your Bitcoin valuation. Let me say that again. You've lost 80% if you hodl a coin, aka Ethereum in this case, against Bitcoin. You've gone from over 15% to below 3%. That is over 80% in a hodl. This is the absence of a method. This was an inverted HVF, and this is seen as bias to strength in Bitcoin for a sustained period. We got the rally there on the interim, but it quickly went into a fall. It looked like it was getting stronger. It was actually just a broadening pattern. It spilled out of a grind line. You'll learn about grind lines if you do our program, and it's taken that target, which could mean it actually starts to get a bit of a bid again. But this is a key moment, and that was a big downside setup for Ethereum that's made its target. Interestingly, you will know me also from YouTube saying that Ethereum is in an upside but against fiat, which shows the huge difference in the absolute strength of the bull Bitcoin against the weak US dollar. So this is an upside, and I still anticipate this target to be made. So this is a Coinbase that's in and around the 600 mark for your target. This was our big amplitude here, our secondary move, our third. That was your breakout. We could be winding up for a squeeze here, and that's why that line is there. It could confluence with that target, so you still could get a little pump at what I call the relative low 2 against fiat for Ethereum, while it's actually being downside underperforming against Bitcoin, which begs the question, how does that Bitcoin fiat chart look? And that's how it's going, folks. 13,780 right now as we speak, since running this confluence of targets at the 12,500 and 600 level, as it often does, grinding its way up there, had a little respect down there, had a second respect down there, and then goes absolutely vertical. So it's made 37% since running that 10k mark over here. When did that first happen on this particular exchange? You were talking the 28th of November on Poloniex. That was your break. Sat on it, really low vol, had a bit of volatility, chopped around, swung about, got 2 setups confluencing there. We absolutely smashed it up to it, rested, and then continued the smash. This can sometimes mean the beginning of the end of a major move up, but in this case you got to keep on keeping on with Bitcoin. Will there be down legs? Almost certainly. Will they be crushing and huge? I'm not always so sure that will be the case. I mean, that was a big sell-off, but it always begets further upside. So Bitcoin is the monster. It has been all H2. This is the value of having minimum 50%, and when you're inside an upside HVF, biasing that to 65 to 75% of your holdings, you just keep getting gifts in Bitcoin strength. The problem is any other alts that you hold in that other 25%, and you're actually giving up and you are being nibbled in your Bitcoin valuation. That is happening marginally because we have 1 or 2 favorites that are in setups against Bitcoin, which Bitcoin for now is crushing, but when it rests, those ones have a habit of getting back on their bike and claiming back some of that Bitcoin strength. Not Ethereum. Not Ethereum. Hodling hurts. Have a method. Learn how. Go to themarketsniper.com. See if you're aligned, you're focused, and you're going to be building your Bitcoin valuation with us. Only serious people need apply. Thank you for watching.